Look at this huge table. These look like glasses. I really. Sorry.
There's some over there hanging on the fence.
Okay. Go on there.
No, there's a fuse. How's that gonna hold up on it?
They're just gonna have to.
See, it's too bad we didn't have a threaded rod.
Now what's on the bottom of that? Oh, that goes on top of there?
Yeah.
There's much sticking out there, is there?
But you gotta put it on a certain way, see?
See, yeah, it's too bad stuff we didn't have a threaded rod. Could have run it all the way through there.
Yeah, it would be nice.
Here, there's one side that doesn't go on. But it's not as hard. Maybe it is.
So would at least roll or dry it? Brody, somebody start that? Have mine.
Oh, now, Linus. Now, Linus.
If you use Suneco, you can't hardly start a steel.
Said I don't have any.
All the way down, ain't it?
I don't.
I think it is.
I don't generally have too much trouble.
But you have to put it on a certain way.
Yeah, I know.
That end.
Go ahead.
You want to maybe put just a little bit more on it?
Definitely don't want to flood.
You don't need to do that.
Where you can read the initials.
Should be able to.
You can wipe the rest
That
of it.
looks like a big end right there, but we won't know until we get it down there.
So, is that bottle empty?
That looks straight.
Looks like it.
Yeah, back the choke off just a little after it starts. Yeah, and then you
We got a gap in the front now, Ray.
put your choke to the, there you go. And then once it starts, just let it warm up, and then you just, you have to it's temperamental.
That looks pretty good. This way.
Hey, did anybody talk to Roger or?
That's not right.
Uh-uh.
That's not
Yeah, it's spinning off the side.
Yeah, we're right
There. Oh, wait a minute. Back up just a little.
back there.
Just about right there. Got a little gap here. Taking a lunch break. I don't know if this is going to work or not.
Might have enough to do it all today.
Wow, the sun was already out.
I hope it has enough time to set up before the rain. 2 hours? Oh, I thought it said all day. So I could always come back over here.
Be sure you come in the morning when it's in shade.
Yeah.
On this, yeah.
Should be dry. Should be dry in the morning.
You think it would be?
Well,
I don't know. It's pretty dewy this morning. Of course, it was raining.
pretty dewy this morning, all right. I think that was a little more than dew.
Oh, I thought it was just
Get away from me.
I think it was called rain.
Oh, there you go.
I think the longer that white one there set and stuff, the lighter it got.
Yeah, that really looks good.
Boy, I'm going to paint Sherry's hat. What do you think?
That's not.
Going back home, down at the cemetery. So it did finally clear off and we had sunshine, and then it's up to probably about 90 degrees now, so we ran out of paint for the fence, so we are done. So they're going to come back next Sunday and finish it off. So anyway, it's a busy day, got a lot done, and it's just now 1:45, so we got quite a bit done. So anyway, so we are headed home. So talk to y'all later. Bye.